Action blocks define what your bot says and does at every step of the conversation. Each action block represents a single action, and together they form the complete chatbot flow. To build your flow, simply click on the plus node and choose from the list of action blocks. All action blocks are grouped into the following categories. Collect. These blocks ask the user to provide information. Talk. These blocks send text or media with no response expected. Dev. These blocks allow for invoking APIs, running business logic on JavaScript, and more. AI. These blocks use LLM models and knowledge base you trained it with to generate a response. Logic. These blocks let you create business logic and conditions. Integrations. These blocks let you push or pull information from your business apps and systems for a personalized chat experience. Once an action block is chosen, its configuration panel opens on the right. This is where you configure how that action block behaves, including messages, questions, logic, and next steps. Each action block connects to the next, allowing the conversation to move forward step by step based on user input or defined logic. At any time, you can hover on an action block and test your bot to see how the action blocks work together in real conversations. To get the best results, keep action blocks simple by using AI agents that combine the logic of several action blocks into one.